Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this tasty caramel chocolate cake pudding the easiest way. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. In a small pot, you're going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of water and mix the two ingredients and let the sugar to melt till golden brown. After about 4 to 5 minutes, your sugar shall be golden brown like this and your caramel is ready, and remove it from the fire. Then afterwards, pour the caramel into the bowl and twist the bowl so that the caramel can spread evenly around the bowl. In another separate pot, you're going to add 1 cup of milk, which is approximately to 250 milliliter, and add 3 tablespoons of sugar and mix well and let the milk to boil until it becomes warm. Once the milk becomes hot, remove from the heat and place it aside. The next step, we're going to make our pudding. In a medium-large bowl, you're going to add 2 eggs and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Using a hand mixer, whisk the two ingredients for approximately 1 to 2 minutes. Then afterwards, pour the warm milk and continue mixing for another 30 seconds. Once you're done mixing the milk and the eggs, you're going to take the bowl which has the caramel. Using a sieve, pour the pudding into the caramel as you can see in the video, and then afterwards, place it aside. Then afterwards, you're going to take 2 medium-sized balls. Then take 2 eggs and separate the egg whites and the egg yolks as you can see in the video. Start by whisking the egg white for approximately 2 to 3 minutes till it forms white stiff peaks. After 2 to 3 minutes, your egg white should form white stiff peaks like this, then afterwards place it aside. Then take the bowl which has the egg yolks, add 5 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Using a hand mixer, mix for approximately 2 minutes. Then add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil and continue mixing for another 30 seconds. Using a large sieve, you're going to add a 1/4 cup of wheat flour, which is approximately to 50 grams. Then add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And sieve the dry ingredients into the bowl and mix for another 1 to 2 minutes. Lastly, you're going to add the egg whites and continue mixing for another 1 to 2 minutes until everything is nicely combined. Then I'm going to take a spatula to make sure that everything is nicely combined. Lastly, you're going to add the chocolate cake mixture into the pudding, and our chocolate cake pudding is ready to be baked in the oven. Take a medium-sized tray, then pour some water, then place the pudding cake into the water and place in a preheated oven and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, remove the pudding cake from the water and place it aside to cool down before placing it in the fridge. Once the pudding cake has cooled down, place it in the fridge for approximately 4 to 6 hours or till the pudding cake becomes cold. Once the pudding cake has become cold, remove it from the fridge. Using a knife, remove the ends of the cake and the pudding so that it can be easier to come out from the bowl. Take a medium-sized plate, flip the cake on the plate, then slightly hit the bowl and your pudding cake will come out easily. And our chocolate cake pudding is ready, as you can see in the video. Like, look how tasty and the layers look. Like, this chocolate cake pudding, it's so tasty. I'm going to cut a piece of the chocolate cake pudding so you can able to see how the inside look. Like, this chocolate cake pudding, it's so tasty, and enjoy your chocolate cake pudding. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.